that's so cheating! Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people. Let's go snorkeling. Good morning, aloha. Welcome back, you beautiful people. I'm off walking the dogs this morning. We were supposed to, at least Alex and I were supposed to go surfing this morning at Haleiwa sunrise. The surf looks amazing, but she looked so tired and just so peaceful sleeping this morning. I just decided to let that child sleep. We have a action-packed, busy afternoon planned, and this whole next week is gonna be pretty busy, so might as well let that child sleep. And plus the dogs get an extra walk. My dogs, Max and Duke, they get a walk every single day. But sometimes if I can get it in early at pretty much sunrise or a little bit after sunrise, that's awesome because that's the coolest part of the day. And it can get hot here in Hawaii and it's a little rough on dogs. So doing the walk in the morning, they can go further, go longer, and have a really awesome morning to themselves. And it's so nice going for a walk in the morning. And let the family sleep and then get back. Pack it, and we are heading off to Turtle Bay to go snorkeling with some newly made friends. Should be a lot of fun, and then maybe do some skateboarding, maybe even try a longboard. I have no idea. We'll see where this day takes us. So I met Kimberly at the pool. They are another military family that just recently moved to Schofield Barracks, and they're quite adventurous. They go surfing, they've been out hiking, all within the last couple of weeks. In fact, I would say they're a very adventurous family. And after driving our kids crazy talking so much at the pool, we decided that we would meet up and have a family day snorkeling at Turtle Bay. Now, you guys know me, we've done Turtle Bay before. Sometimes it's hit or miss, but the nice thing about Turtle Bay is it's great for a wide variety of age groups. So let's go snorkeling.
Ready? Come on, kid. Come here, I got you. Come here. Come here. Come here. You got this. Haley, come on, we're not stopping right here. We got this. You're so brave. You're amazing, Haley. Come here. Woo. Put your head in, Haley. Hi, Haley. Alex, stay here or go get your fins with Dad.
I made the big mistake of bringing my GoPro 360, my GoPro Max. Now normally this camera is amazing when we go mountain biking, we go hiking, because it captures everything around me and makes sure I always get the shots. But this was my first time taking it snorkeling and I thought this thing was gonna be magic, right? Nope, it was an absolute disaster. I'm so sorry. But you know what? Thank you, Kimberly. Kimberly saved this video. So 90% of the snorkeling footage, give a shout out to Kimberly for me. Nice having someone else video. I'm rarely caught on camera.
so fun.
Haley has come a long way. We're really getting through a lot of things in life, but when it comes to snorkeling in the ocean in particular, it's just not always there. Today, you know, she just wanted to stay on the beach, but she did actually get in the water to play with the other kids. Alex and Haley actually had an amazing time playing with them, but snorkeling, not so much.
They like drowned me. They're supposed to be little and now they're massive and I'm like, they're laughing at me and I'm like, I know I'm drowning.
Sorry, Kimberly. Sorry, Kimberly.
We definitely had an amazing time with our new friends. Shout out to them. That was a great day, and they invited us to a homeschool surf night. Super excited. Bring it on. I'm so excited that Alex is gonna be able to surf with other kids, and that means I might actually get to go out again. I got a lot to work on, people, so don't get excited about me, but get excited for Alex. And you know, Haley is always a toss-up, but it sounds like there's gonna be plenty of kids on the beach for Haley to build sandcastles with. Super excited about that.
I had a lot of fun.
The Turtle Bay is not complete without the fruit stand. After the girls had a power nap, we went back out for the golden hour and hit practicing our surf skateboard moves. Now John's getting pretty good. Alex is still like a little hesitant, but at least she's finally putting her arms up. And we just had a fun time as a family playing outside. No tablets, just turn everything off and go outside. Haley, control. Okay, look where you want to go. Oh yeah, look at that turn. All right, 2 more. Turn harder. Turn harder. Turn. Nope, turn harder. Look over here. Oh, that's just the first cone. How about we put the second cone over here? We gotta give it some space to get through it. What? Oh, and then boom. And boom. Good job. Turn. Start turning, look the other way. Oh, dude, turn. It's okay. You were doing so good. Go double it. There you go, now double the next one. Dude, you're doing great. Look at that. You did it. All right, go, Haley.
Keep your feet up.
Rainy season hasn't quite relinquished its control yet. You know, it's spring in Hawaii, which means that there's even more pollen everywhere, but it's still raining quite a bit. Now, it kind of caught me by surprise. The other day I went out and it looked like there was like soap from when someone had washed their vehicle, right? You guys know what I'm talking about? But it wasn't soap and it was everywhere. And all I could figure is that it comes from these trees, and this either from the pollen or from the seeds. John was saying it was seeds, but it's always these trees, and it was everywhere. I have never seen this. Is anyone else like stunned that this tree makes this foam? Who ever heard of foaming trees? All right, you guys, so in the next episode, we're going surfing, and we're going surfing family style with a whole bunch of other families. I am so psyched, stoked, whatever you want to say about this night. Can't wait to bring it to you guys. Mahalo for watching, and if you haven't already, please do give me a thumbs up. The thumbs up really do help this algorithm, this whole show and charade. Thumbs up. Mahalo, you guys. We'll see you later.
Mahalo. Thanks for watching. Click on the